Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. USD CHF intraday expect 0.9160 analysis http ntvforex.com news ID 325C44932027 am USD CHF expect 0.9160 NBSP stay on top of the markets with Swiss Quotia S news amp analysis NBSP pivot invalidation 0.9095 our preference long positions above 0.9095 with targets at 0.9135 amp 0.9160 in extension. Alternative scenario below 0.9095 look for further downside with 0.9080 amp 0.9060 as targets. Comment even though a continuation of the consolidation cannot be ruled out, its extent should be limited. USD CAD intraday support around 1.3030 pivot invalidation 1.3030 our preference long positions above 1.3030 with targets at 1.3095 amp 1.3125 in extension. Alternative scenario below 1.3030 look for further downside with 1.3015 amp 1.2990 as targets. Comment the RSI calls for a rebound. AUD/USD the downside prevails pivot invalidation 0.7340 our preference short positions below 0.7340 with targets at 0.7300 amp 0.7280 in extension. Alternative scenario above 0.7340 look for further upside with 0.7370 amp 0.7390 as targets. Comment as long as the resistance at 0.7340 is not surpassed, the risk of the break below 0.7300 remains high. USD try the bias remains bullish pivot invalidation 7.3540 our preference long positions above 7.3540 with targets at 7.4160 amp 7.4540 in extension. Alternative scenario below 7.3540 look for further downside with 7.3280 amp 7.2970 as targets. Comment the RSI calls for a bounce. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me mt5.expert.advisors.